Wagwan YouTube, it's your boy Click Man, and you're tuned in to Click React. If you guys are already here, let's just get this business out of the way. Hit that subscribe button right now. We drop videos every day, so you can turn on post notifications too. We're just gonna get right into it, man. Today we're reacting to the most awkward and cringe-worthy auditions from the X Factor. I don't know if you guys watch these videos, but I'm on YouTube all the time just searching them up because they're so funny. So we're just gonna get right into that, guys. Don't forget to drop a like and help me get this video out there. Comment and let me know which one of these moments is the funniest one to you, because I'm sure there's gonna be a few. And we're just gonna go right into it. As I said, man, I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Hi.
All right. My bad. I don't want to laugh at how anybody looks. I'm not roasting nobody, but I know this one's gonna be funny.
My name's Honey G, and I'm a genuine urban artist. I'm different.
What the hell is a genuine urban artist?
You know, keep it real. I'm down. That's what I'm down with. Honey G.
Honey G?
Yeah.
I love it.
Bring it on.
Isn't there somebody named Honey G from one of those dance? What is it? Oh, it's Honey. The name of the movie is Honey, where she's a dancer.
Let's do this.
I don't want to not wait any longer. Get in there.
Nobody that's been down does this, Honey G. I gotta tell you, man. Ain't nobody down for any cause that is throwing up the fingers crossed. You know what I'm saying? Maybe in the youth gangster league.
Yeah, that way.
This way.
Yeah.
Honey G is down, but she can't see.
Oh, hello. Hi.
Wagwan.
How are you?
Yo, why is this guy so rude? Why did he look at her like that? Like, give her a second, man. Like, where the rip is on those jeans are a little unusual, but everything else is good.
Wonderful. How are you?
Good, thanks. Surviving.
I don't know how she can see inside with those shades on. I can't comprehend that. Look at this guy's face. Look at the man's face right here. Look at this.
Okay, what is your name?
My name's Honey G.
Honey G.
Why she
Sweet
gotta
like
do that?
Honey G.
So what,
What? Sweet like Honey G. The hell is sweet like Honey G?
what's your real name?
Anna Georgette Guilford.
Ah.
And how old are you?
Get the G.
I'm 35.
And where are you from?
North Wheezy.
Please tell me she didn't change the name of where she's from to Wheezy. Hold on.
Northwest London.
Alright.
In Harrow.
I'm just trying to figure out, how does Wheezy translate to West London?
Okay.
North Wheezy.
Yeah.
So
Easy.
representing Daharo.
At the moment, I'm representing for the X Factor Massive at the moment.
Okay, Honey G.
I can't.
Good luck.
It's good.
Fine.
Okay. H to the O to the N to the E to the Y to the G, it's Honey G. H to the O to the N to the E to the Y to the G, it's...
Yo, honestly, when I see these things, I just wish I had these people's confidence, because I think I would be like so far in life. Because to know that you're not really, maybe she has other talents. This is not it. I mean, I'm just going off the intro, but that's all I need. You know what I'm saying? This is not her talent.
It's Honey G. When I say honey, you say G. Honey
G.
Honey
G.
When I say honey, you say G. Honey
G.
Honey
G.
Check it to wreck it. Let's begin. Party on, party people. Let me hear some noise. Honey G's in the house. Let me hear some noise.
Ah. Bro, you guys see these people's faces? Like,
Let me hear some noise.
ah. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't. Oh, you see, that's why you shouldn't judge a book by its cover or the cover of the song. Here we go. Oh, she dances too. She is a lady of a lot of talents.
Yes. Give it.
She need a little WD-40, I think. But she's going.
This is a Missy Elliott one-time exclusive.
Hey.
Is it worth it? Let me work it. I put my thing down, flip it, and reverse it. It's nerf it, the fine thing.
Yo, I gotta catch that back. Hold the fuck up. You mean to tell me, yeah, my whole life, right? I've heard this song And Missy was saying that? Nah, let me just bring that back. Nah.
Hi.
Is it worth it? Let me work it.
I can't. I want to hear what she's saying. So, like, I need to compose myself. Hold on. Alright. I'm good.
I put my thing down, flip it and reverse it. It's nerd, it's nerd, if you got a big, let me search it. Find out how much you wanna work it. It's nerd,
Hey.
it's nerd,
Yeah.
see my hips and my tips go cha. See my ass and my lips go cha. I lost a few pounds off my waist for ya. Like the kind of beat the
Look at the man's face, bro. Why he look like a scared pug?
go rat-ta-ta, rat-ta-ta-ta, ta-ta-ta-ta-ta.
Yes, Sharon.
Why are they roasting her like that? Like, stop acting like you feel the performance.
That's it. Oh.
Work it. I need a glass of water.
Same.
Boy, oh boy, it's good to serve that.
Yes.
If you work,
It's good to what? Bro, I don't know if she has the lyrics right or not, but that never for friend shit, like, I know that's not what the damn song says. There's no way.
it, let me work it. I put my
I swear it was just the record scratching.
thing down, flip
No,
it
maybe
and
it
reverse
is
it.
that.
It's nerve, dip, 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 dip.
Here it is again.
It's nerve, dip, 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 dip. If you got a big, let me search it. Work it.
Yo, Simon has a problem. That's the funny thing. Honestly, I thought she did well with the criticism she got, I guess. Like, you know, Simon's normally way worse. She would have been like, all right.
It's nerd, dip, 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 dip. It's nerd, dip, 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 dip.
Banger.
If you're a fly gal, get your nails done, get a pedicure, get your hair did.
Is that a part of the song?
Yes.
Yes.
Here's the thing, right? Here's the thing. They're clapping, but are they gonna give her a go to the next round? No. So why are you guys giving her fake hope? That's wicked. That's honestly wicked.
Sharon,
Yes, darling.
I never knew you were into this urban stuff.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, I'm down.
I'm down.
I mean, you guys do seem like you're the same amount of.
So what'd you say, guys?
Well, I don't quite know what to say.
I do.
What does your mum think about this?
Yo, what?
Some of my tracks have got swearing on them. My mum doesn't like that, but apart from that, she's down with me.
Make it stop.
Everybody's
You
down.
look like you're having a nervous breakdown over there.
I was so uncomfortable.
Yeah.
That shouldn't happen. You shouldn't be doing that.
Come on, guys, you gotta feel me.
Did you say we have to feel you?
Yeah, you
I
gotta
don't
feel
want
me
to
with
feel
this.
you. I felt
Oh god. You know, it's crazy. Like, it just shows. It goes to show like how one word can mean so many different things. Because when she says "you got to feel me," you know, I'm not getting like, you know, you gotta rock with what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? It really sounds like feel, as in like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's crazy.
felt you, and I don't want to feel you again.
Getting jiggy with it.
I said I felt you and I don't want to feel you again.
Oh, did you enjoy it?
You in?
Yeah, I was really feeling it.
Thank you.
I love it.
She said yes.
Please, just end.
Are we going to vote? Sharon, yes or no?
Yes.
Thank you.
What the fuck?
Well, listen, honey, I'm going to say yes.
Thank you so much.
Simon?
I'm not included.
Good.
Make your own mind up.
Honey G, because I love him so much,
What'd you say?
I'm gonna say yes.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
That's so crazy to me. I mean, I know they know that they're not gonna make it past any round after this, but why do that? I guess it could help somebody. Who knows? Maybe she could turn her rapping career around. I've never seen this before in my life. Hey man, oh, this must be pre-COVID because there's no way she would be coughing around like that.
My name's Goldie Jam. I'm 48 years old,
48? She don't look 48.
and I always, look at the mirror and pretend I'm singing. I think I am born to be a star. I can be as big as Tina Turner.
As big as Tina Turner. Bold.
People will watch me. People will listen me.
Good luck, my lovely.
I think I'm unique. Goldie is unique. I don't think any judges see somebody like me before.
What? What nasty ass shit is that? In her face.
3, 2, 1, here we go.
Hi,
No way she's 48, bro.
what's your name?
My name's Goldie Zhang.
Yeah. Are you from the area?
I originate from Hong Kong, and I'm based in the Northwest now. Sorry, I'm not feeling quite well today. I'm trying my best.
Okay.
Yeah.
Are you suffering with nerves or are you not
No,
very well?
I have some medicine earlier. I was thrown up a few times, so
Okay.
that's
In
Kelly
that
Rowe.
case, you can step back from the X if you want.
I won't put it in. No, I won't do that. Yeah.
How old are you, by the way? Can I ask?
Half century gone already.
Really?
Yes. Nothing artificial. It's all genuine.
It's all genuine.
All genuine.
Aye,
Fantastic.
aye.
You go, girl.
So sorry.
Who's she sending shots to, man? Who's she sending
Okay.
shots?
Should we hear you sing?
Yes, I'm gonna sing Copper Bell.
Okay.
I don't
What?
know that one.
Good luck.
What? Who's it?
What are you going to sing?
What do you wait?
Pop a bell.
Copper Bell.
What is that song?
Yo, the mom is killing me! Holy. Get it going. She's
Copper
amped. Yo, did the man just elbow his mom?
No one?
Okay. Well, Tina Turner vibes going. I see it. She got the fit. She got the hair.
Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
Is she saying ding dong, ding dong, ding dong?
Ding dong, ding dong, ding ding dong. Ding chong chong dong, ding ding dong, ding ding dong. 墙像瓜根的墙根，墙根。
Honestly, the talent that she has very clear to us all is that she's 48 and she looks like that. Bravo.
像瓜同林，
Singing is not it.
风吹腾动啊，同林动，那风吹啊，腾腾腾。
This lady was just throwing up. You think I want her all over me? You must be mad. And the mom loves the performance. She is that's a good mom. She is supporting that fucker.
腾好比我风。
Way you think you're gonna put your fucking nowhere you're gonna put your finger near my face like that after we know you were just throwing up. Like, why do you think that's okay, ma'am?
好比你，离我不分你，两心
I just
长
wish I knew what song
相
she
依
was。singing. Yo, I love her mom. I love her mom. And her mom looks young as hell too, to be honest. If it wasn't for like her hairstyle.
痛啊听啊疼听痛一天。
She's a good performer. I'll give her that. She has, you know, stage presence. She gets involved with the crowd, you know. But the singing is not it. We got to be honest, man. Like, what can I say? It's not it. Ooh. Is that a part of the performance?
Do you have a second song?
I want to see that.
I'm ready
Encore. It's encore.
for you as
Do it.
well.
Do it.
Yo, this is so funny, bro. Kelly does not look like she's feeling this. She looks like she's in shock, if we're being honest.
Never quite sure, but I never lost. Feeling of fear, worried about the way things might have been.
It's just harder for her to sing this song because of her accent. I guess it's gonna be very. She's not crowing. Her voice isn't the worst, but this shit is fucking hilarious nonetheless.
You keep on turning, baby, keep on turning, and
Rolling.
rolling.
Yeah, the performance is A1. Yo, this lady is wild.